All right, guys, I'm really excited about this one. We're going to show you something I think is pretty crazy, pretty cool. My name is Jonathan. I'm going to show you how to add and create lessons in Markdown, then how to create slides in HTML, how to use templates, how to generate with those templates with AI, and I'm going to show you some insane examples of what you can do right at the end. Let's jump in. This is just, the platform with the catalog, which you're probably familiar with. I'm going to go to the manager section and click here on lessons. And I'm going to open up what I have here. And this is just basic Markdown. You can have a title, you have some text, and you can preview it, how it would kind of look in the code editor. And then what you could do is like write a prompt and create a lesson, and what we did here is we created this template, and then we create some styling that links to different parts of this template, like wrap code to be added. This is, anything within this is the code block, and then anything within that code block would be code to be added. Anything to be removed is this. And I'm going to just show you, I threw this, copied and pasted into Claude here, create a lesson, here's the template, and this is what he made. So I can actually just take one of these slides, paste it in. Well, I'll take slide 4 maybe, it looks cool. And so you can see how would this play out. And let me clarify, we have some styling that we attached to this template. So actually this is where I pasted it in. And now this is how it looks, ugly, right? So what we do is, I'm just gonna add the integration. I'm gonna click save. Ooh, that looks a lot better already. And this is actually how it looks now. We just generated this with AI, this simple text, but when we attach it to the style sheet, we get this really cool thing, and it even highlights exactly what the student's supposed to do on this. And it kind of looks like this in the code editor, what the student would see. So kind of cool, very fun. And that's basically Markdown and using templates and being able to generate them. And let me just show you perhaps a full lesson. This is a full lesson with, where the student can just kind of go through. I'm going to have to remove that. Each step, very easy to just generate a full lesson just like this. With that template, you don't need to worry about styling or anything. Everything is taken care of. It just looks beautiful. And if you look at this, it's just very simple Markdown, like no styling in here. And so it's very easy for AI to generate this. I need to keep moving because we're running out of time. This is an HTML example of what that could look like. You can run HTML examples like this with quizzes, all within the slides. And now I just went into Claude actually earlier, half an hour ago or so, and I asked him to make an SQL learning environment. And I just want to create, this is the whole prompt, nothing else attached. I said I want to create, and it made this super crappy thing that I didn't like, this here. And I was like, no way, bro, I don't want that. I said, no, there's absolutely not. I just want something similar to what people are using for SQL for real, because I want to teach kids SQL. So it made this simulation, and I can actually take this. I'm going to see if I can actually do this right now in front of you. Oops, no, I only want this. I wonder if I can, no, it's selecting it all. Oh my God. Oh, copy, there we go. That should work. Let me go into a lesson, create a new one even. I need to make sure I remove the integration because that's not going to help me here. I'm going to take this, paste in that code, save it, and now I have this simulation, which actually is not going to work because it's only in the slide part. So I actually have to show you how this simulation is going to work. And basically, we're going to have a full screen HTML section, and you can be teaching kids about count employees by thing. You can create a whole simulation for kids to learn about SQL, for example, filter by salary. And they can do this within the lesson and within the slide. That is so incredibly powerful. I just want to show you the most powerful thing I made so far. This I kind of optimized with Replit, and it's just this fun interactive thing. Very cool. I can apply some changes. I can run it. It even runs with Blockly. I added Blockly to it. Continue. It's just super cool. Here's the Blockly section. It might take it. Yeah, I can move this around, and I can run it in Blockly or in Python. This is what you can just add into your lesson. You can make a whole new kind of environment. It's very cool. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.